Hey, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to run a successful Keynote. In network tables, you see a link. To join your Keynote, basically you need to open it 10 or 15 minutes before the session starts. So open it right now. Great, I'm in. Good. You will be promoted to a speaker by one of our team members. When I enter the room, I should directly have a screen to basically share with the audience. So basically we'll share this presentation screen you see here. You see? Great. When people enter the room, basically we start hitting up the chat. So can everybody hear me? Please say hello in the chat. We do like a small practice session. Okay, great. Everybody starts saying hello. Everybody that has a question, raise your hands. You see Karine raising her hand, so now I can see participants that one person has raised her hand. So I allow Karine to talk, and this way give her the word if she has something really big thing to say. So Karine. Hello. Okay, great. So this is the way how she can ask questions. I can live interact with her, but also Karine can drop in Q&As. Karine, can you drop in a Q&A quickly? So great. See, so this way I can let people either raise their hand if I'm doing something interactively, if I want to let people say something now, or if I just want to collect all of the questions during the presentation, I just say in the start, hey people, please put your questions in the Q&A. And then once you decide the time is ready, you can start answering those by clicking on answering live or by typing answers. Oh, that's Q&A. Besides that, you can also set up polls, and we recommend you to do this in your 15 minutes before your session starts. So you can add a question here. Basically, I can say the title, poll 1. I can ask a question, do you like this? And I can give 2 answers, yes or no. So you can set these up in the 15 minutes before your session starts. So now I've created one, and if I go back to the presentation, I can basically decide to launch the poll. Add a question, 1 second. I didn't save it. Question 1 or 2, save. See, now there it is. So I can decide to start polls during my session. So I click on launch polling. People will see this in their screen. So Karine, can you please answer? Yeah, great. And I can end polling, and I can share results whenever I like. And now on their screen would be the results. So this is how to basically start the session. Tell people to hit the chat box, tell people to put in their questions in the Q&A, tell people to basically interact whenever they think it's right. And what your role is to sometimes just start a poll, answer some questions, and make it interactive. When you're done with the sessions, just click on end meeting and you're done.